Hello, Loida here from Beyond Earthly Beauty, and in this video I am going to show you how to prepare the perfect green smoothie to help you lose weight easily, detox your body, and also help you feel confident about your body again. Here are the 4 steps, so stay tuned. Okay, so here are the 4 steps you need to prepare the perfect green smoothie. Step number 1, choose a green vegetable and use about 2 to 3 cups of this vegetable. Examples of the vegetables that you can use are kale, that's what I'm using today. You can use cabbage, spinach, romaine lettuce, chard. You can use other types of vegetables that are not leafy, for example, zucchini, cucumbers, cactus padles, and broccoli. These types of vegetables are rich in fiber and nutrients. Fiber reduces the digestion rate of our food, and this keeps our sugar, insulin, and cholesterol levels in an ideal balance. The vegetables' fiber and nutrients also help our body detox naturally. So include about 2 to 3 cups of a green vegetable in your smoothie all the time. Step number 2, choose a fruit or fruits and use about 1 cup of this fruit that you chose. Fruit contains antioxidants and also give texture and a nice sweetness to our smoothies. Because let's be honest here, if we just do a plain smoothie with no fruit, it is going to taste pretty nasty. So make sure you use fruit, but only use about 1 cup of fruit. Fruit contains sugar, so we don't want to overdo it, and we don't want to increase our insulin levels. We don't want to cause sugar spikes, because insulin is the one responsible for storage of body fat. So make sure you only use about 1 cup. So I am using here a mixture of oranges and apples. Step number 3, you need to add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of a healthy fat source. Examples of healthy fats are coconut milk, virgin coconut oil, virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds such as pumpkin, chia, and flax seeds. Healthy fats not only make us feel fuller, but also help us balance our glucose levels and therefore prevents the accumulation of body fat if we eat them in moderate amounts. So for our smoothie, I am choosing flaxseed, and that's what I'm gonna use. Step number 4, add about 1 cup of liquid. You can simply use water, or you can use coconut milk or almond milk. I prefer to use water. It's just, for me, it tastes better. So that's what I'm gonna use for my shake. If you do use ice or frozen fruits, you might need to use a little bit of more water, just so it's not as thick, but the water doesn't really matter. Okay, so just adjust the amount of water according to your likes. Okay, so we're gonna blend this, and I'm gonna show you how it looks afterwards. So there you have it. There's your perfect green smoothie. So there you have them. Those are the 4 steps to prepare the perfect green smoothie to help you lose weight, detox your body, and start regaining your confidence. If you want to start forming healthy habits to lose weight and feel more confident in your own skin, then I invite you to join my free challenge of green smoothies. Just click on the link. It should be in the description or on the Learn More button to get your free 7-day guide for the challenge. Make sure that you share this video if it was helpful and you want maybe a friend or a family member or a loved one who might want to join you in this challenge. It's easier to do a challenge like this in company of someone that has the same goals. That way you can encourage each other and it'll just be a little bit more fun. So make sure you share this video and also give a like and subscribe to my Facebook page and my YouTube channels so you can continue learning more secrets about how to feel confident and beautiful again through nourishing body, mind, and soul. I'll see you in my next video.